Hello and most welcome again to my Learning German blog. I'm Marcus and today I'm really excited because we will talk about how to remember the German articles der, das and die. But remember, if you watch the video until the end, I will have a little surprise for you. This is my homepage. You can find really good content on this and really good information how to learn German. And in the description I add also some useful links. There's also one link where you can find me on italki as a professional German teacher. So if you need professional help, check this out as well. Okay, but let's start with our article problem. As we already know, we have three genders, so we have three different articles in German. But how about the contribution? No? Do we use all three the same way? No. Actually, we use most die, the feminine article, almost half of it. It's followed by der, it's 1/3, and das we actually use just 20%. So most of the nouns take the article die. So if you don't have any clue, just take the feminine article die. So maybe you're right. Okay, but let's do a little test. What is important now? You need a stopwatch. Why? Because I will give you 20 German nouns, and then soon I will show you the articles to do these nouns, and you need to remember. And I will give you 3 minutes to do this. Okay? So get a watch, get your handy ready to measure 3 minutes. Okay? So I will show you now the articles of those words. Okay? Then you pause the video and try to remember in 3 minutes all the nouns to those, all the articles to the nouns. Okay? So here are the articles. Pause the video, 3 minutes, and then I see you back. Okay, so let's see how you did. What is the article of Bank? Take note if you're right or wrong. So in the end, we can see your statistics. The article of Bank, die Bank. So just take a note, right or wrong. Sand, der Sand. Computer, der Computer. Bus, der Bus. Wein, der Wein. CD, die CD. Krokodil, das Krokodil. Auto, das Auto. Hand, die Hand. Hotel, das Hotel. Banane, die Banane. Ball, der Ball. Foto, das Foto. Schokolade, die Schokolade. Seminar, das Seminar. Musik, die Musik. Lampe, die Lampe. Telefon, das Telefon. Radio, das Radio. Museum, das Museum. Okay, that's actually all the words. Okay, I don't know how you did, but normally if people really don't know German or just a little bit and they try to memorize, just to memorize by a list the article, the result is this. They are like 48% right and 52% right, so 50-50. So that's actually the result. So many people have issues to study articles or to know articles and to remember the articles. So I will show you a little trick. Now we will get again 20 new words, but we will do something different. We will use 3 different characters. No, we have a lion, we have an alien, we have Ariel. No, so we will use them and also with colors to show you in a better way the article. The lion, der Löwe, is our character for the masculine article der. The alien, das Alien, is our character for the neutral article das. And Ariel is the feminine article die Ariel, so this is our character. And we have red, green and blue. So now let's see our 20 words. We will do it more or less 3 minutes to study those words with our articles, but I help you this time. So let's start. Das Problem. The alien has a problem. The alien has a problem. So das Problem. Okay? Das Problem. The alien has a problem. Der Vulkan. Let's imagine we have a lion at the top of a volcano. So der Vulkan. Das Piano. Oh, the alien is able to play the piano really, really well. So it's das Piano. Das Piano. The alien. Der Hamburger. Wow, the lion needs to eat a lot, and so he will eat a really, really big hamburger. So it's der Hamburger. Der Hamburger. The lion and the hamburger. Die Minute. Okay, let's think. Okay, Ariel can dive and could be 1 minute under the water. She stops your time. No? So 1 minute. Die Minute. Ariel. Die Minute. Okay, das Gas. No, the alien, let's say it's in a cloud of gas and he has to protect himself so that he don't die. So das Gas. Alien, das Gas. Der April. Let's say the lion has his birthday in April. So der April. The lion, der April. Die Universität. Okay, let's say Ariel goes to university. Okay, she goes to university, not the lion or the alien. Ariel goes to the university. Die Universität. Die Familie. Ariel has a really big family. No, she has a really big family. So die Familie. Die Familie. Das Internet. No, the alien has a website. It's called www.alien.com. No, so das Internet. No, the alien is an internet. No, he's really modern. Das Ticket. No, the alien wants to see a movie. No, so he has a ticket in his hand. No, das Ticket. No, the alien has the ticket. No, das Ticket. Der Kaffee. There's actually one brand with the lion on it, so it's the lion coffee. No, der Kaffee. The lion. Der Kaffee. Die jeans. No, Ariel's a little bit sad because she has just 1 leg and she cannot wear the jeans. So die jeans. Die jeans. Ariel. Die Tomate. No? Let's say Ariel is sitting on a dancing tomato. Okay, in a blue tomato. Die Tomate. Die Tomate. Der Wind. No, the lion makes a lot of wind. No, so he can produce a lot of energy. The lion. Der Wind. Das Restaurant. No, the alien is the owner of a really, really good restaurant. No, das Restaurant. The alien is the owner. Not the lion, not Ariel. Die Pizza. So Ariel is really hungry and she likes Italian food. No? Die Pizza. No? Ariel. Der Test. Oh, the lion has to do a test because he wants to drive a car and so he has to do a test. So der Test. The lion. And Ariel goes to a bar. Die Bar. No? She drinks something. Die Bar. No? She drinks. Das Theater. Okay. Alien has a presentation in the theater, so it's das Theater, our alien. Okay, these were our 20 words, well, more or less 3 minutes as well. So let's see how many words do you remember, or how many articles do you remember. Okay, take note and let's see then our statistics. Universität, obviously Ariel goes to university, die Universität. Die Universität. So just try to remember our image, what we created. Café. No? Who was on the box? Obviously the lion. Der Café. Restaurant. Who's the owner of the restaurant? Obviously, das Restaurant. Das Restaurant. Piano. Who can play the piano so well? Okay, then it's das Piano, the alien. April. Who has his birthday in April? Ah, okay, der April, the lion, der April. Tomate. Who is sitting on a dancing tomato? No? Okay, Ariel, die Tomate. Test. Who has to take a test? Obviously, the lion has to take the test. Der Test. Minute. Remember? Very good. Die Minute. Familie. Yes, Ariel has a big family. Die Familie. Problem. Who has a problem? Yes, das Problem. Wind. Der Wind. No, der Wind, the lion, der Wind. Bar. Okay, die Bar, correct. Hamburger. Der Hamburger, the lion. Jeans. Die Jeans. Gas. Das Gas. Vulkan. Der Vulkan, the lion is at the top of the volcano. Theater. Das Theater, the alien. Pizza. Die Pizza. Internet. Das Internet. Ticket. Das Ticket. Okay. So let's see how you did. Normally, this was already taught before. And normally, when people study with images and they try to visualize the article, they remember even better. And the result is this, no? They get more than 80% right. Okay, so they actually get control. And also you get it in your long-term memory. Okay, if I ask you the same things maybe next week, this will drop and this will stay more or less the same because the image is really, really powerful. So be creative, try to use images, try to use colors, and so we will get less problems with articles. Obviously, you can study articles with the noun together, then maybe you memorize, but if you get trouble with some articles, just try images, okay? And you will see it helps a lot. I do it by myself, I live in Spain, and so there are also two genders, and sometimes I'm wrong, but I do it the same way. Okay, like I told you, I have a magic trick, but you were part of this magic trick today, because you changed this to this. So this is my magic for today. I hope you liked the video and you got something out of it. Leave a comment below the video, so I will answer to every comment, and I will see you soon with more content. Take care and bis bald. Tschüss.